மாலை வணக்கம். அனைவருக்கும் உத்தான் வாழ்த்துக்கள். நிகழ்ச்சி சிறப்பாக உள்ளாதி புதுச்சேரி மாவட்டம் நன்றி. கிருஷ்ணமூர்த்தி மாநிலங்களவை தலைவர் புதுச்சேரி சிறப்பாக மர்க்கல் விழா நிகழ்ச்சி ஏற்பாடு செய்துள்ள வாய்ப்பு நன்றி வாழ்த்துக்கள். திரு கிருஷ்ணமூர்த்தி மாநில தலைவர், மாதி எல்எஸ் வெங்கடேஷ் மாநில துணை தலைவர், நந்தடி காலேவப்பல் மணாலி துணை தலைவர், और मुरली वीसी नारायण मालिक தலைவர், திருமுகன் மாநில யூத் செயலர், respected मानवेंद्र सिंह देशपति தலைவர் अखिल भारतीय क्षत्रिय महासभा, respected महेंद्र सिंह तंवर देशसेवा தலைவர் अखिल भारतीय क्षत्रिय महासभा, डीपी सिंह महिला தலைவர் दिल्ली अखिल भारतीय क्षत्रिय महासभा, श्रीमती वनी मेघाला वुमेन महिला தலைவர் पुडुचेरी, आर सोमे सुंदरम एक्सएमएलए आदि के वालों, संगधरम सलले, जयकुमार सलले, नरसिम्हन सलले, रतन एविल टुडे सलले, के रहमान टुडी सलले, के पद्मनाभन तले सलले, स्टेट बर्थ बाउंड डॉक्टर आदि नारायण ट्यूसन तलवाई, आर एन शिव कुमार अलने, वी मणि नागले, उरुपुतन डॉक्टर खड़वती, कर्नल बाटी कल्याण, दरजीव सलले, जगन अमय सलले. My all respectable persons, our sister, a person present on the dais and before the dais, both are equally valuable, because without dais no purpose of you, and without you no purpose of dais. Both are just like a bar and bench. I am a practicing lawyer and Supreme Court of India. That's why I know no organization can proceed without workers, and no worker can stand or struggle in their state or district without head of the organization. We are spiritually rich that our head organizations, Mr. Manvinder Singh, he goes from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, Guwahati to Chowpatty for the welfare of Rajput Kshatriyas. It is our proud, and not for us, it is a proud of our country also, our caste also, our community also. And this fact, when we discuss on the point of struggle, he started community. After then, government agree to understand the problems of all communities, and in this regard, after the resolution passed. Today, our Honorable National President, Honorable His Highness Raja Manvinder Singh, and respected Working President Mahendra Singh Tawar, and our Puducherry President Krishnamurthy and other dignitaries met with your Chief Minister today morning, and also submit a memorandum for this purpose with the demands which he explained clearly today before you. There are a number of problems which submitted by them in his memorandum. He also, I am reading a few lines of memorandum which R. Samaram, Urusake, Tiruratil, Udiyar, Galpal Magale, Sirvan Urulla, Sambal Vanye, Udaput, Udaniman, Batuata, Savakam. This proved that employment problem. And our community is very much facing these problems. What we should do by this meeting, what we should do by the Akhila Bharatiya Kshatriya Mahasabha, that is to, if we will unite, then we will succeed. If we will divide, then we will fall. And the problem is that Vanya Rajput or any other Rajput could not unite in a same manch. If you unite with from the core of heart, need of core of heart, then you work with the core of heart for your organization of Rajput Kshatriya Samaj, then you will succeed. Number of parliaments, number of member of legislative assembly, and number of minister in the state or central is already available. But they are not hearing you. They could not understand your problem. They could not want to seek your problem and resolve your problem. Why? Because you are not united. If you will go with the organization to proceed, submit, history is very spiritual. You know Maharana Pratap, Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmibai, Hana Rani Padmavati, Shri Ram, different. Our history is spiritual. Now our history is rich, but our present is also very rich. You know, if our Kshatriya Samaj through Rajput regiment will not go to the border of China, will not go to the border of Pakistan, then how can we survive? And then how can our parliamentarian and member of legislative assembly and chief justice and Supreme Court be survive? No chance. Our Jawans of Rajput regiment fight on the borders, then we are survive. Then our tricolor will flourish in our parliament, in assembly, in Supreme Court of India as well, President of India, Rashtrapati Bhavan. The issue is very clear. So, I am fully request, with the full-handed request, that if we will not unite, then we could not succeed. Education is very important. We should need unity of younger generation. Today I am very much happy that here today is very younger. At guest house where we stay today, number of youngers reach there, welcome us. And today in this hall, youngsters in huge. At the time of entry in Puducherry area, border of Puducherry, Mr. Krishnamurthy met number of youngsters welcome us with a heart warm welcome, with the slogans, with the shawls. Why? Means they want to work. Our youngsters want to work very hard with the organization. Then it is very necessary to Mr. Krishnamurthy, they lead the youngsters in Puducherry through Akhila Bharatiya Kshatriya Mahasabha. I assure from core of heart that His Highness Mr. Raja Madhavendra Singh, ex-member of Parliament and Cabinet Minister of Central Government, and Mahendra Singh Tawar, as well as Delhi President Mr. D.P. Singh, as well as I myself, I was always interested. He will always stood with you for your any type of work, state or as well as Delhi or as well as national level. You work different type of work. You need a work of different type in different state. For the welfare of our Samaj, Kshatriya Samaj, for the welfare and upliftment of ladies, girls, youngsters, on the point of employment, on the point of administrations. You see the level of administration of Puducherry is very low. It should be improved as a tourist place, much tourist place. The culture, socio-culture is very good. if on airport, developed airport, well today Mr. Krishnamurti also said before the Chief Minister of India, there is a number of chances to increase tourist a place as a Puducherry. So he assured that he is working for this. If tourists will come from other states, from other parts of India, across the India and other parts of world, then surely money will come. And money will come, then employment will increase on each and every level. Either shops, either market, or hotel business, or travels, or tourism, different type of. So we also request Mr. Krishnamurti will work with you for this purpose also, and certainly you and everybody will succeed on this point for the welfare of child, for the welfare on the point of marriage, etc., etc. And I am requesting, we fought, you see in Google, etc., etc., who is AP Singh, who is he saying, you search AP Singh Advocate Supreme Court, Google it, AP Singh Advocate Supreme Court, dial it, my phone number, my address, all each and everything is available. I found number of highlighted cases you see, number of cases of either Ram Janmabhoomi, either different case, Hathras Khan, different. So what I am saying, you see, can search it. A person who speech here is wrong or right, first choose, and after that start, I work with full courtesy and hard working. Hard work and poverty. Mr. Krishnamurti suggested that the situation of Puducherry is weak on the point of financial. But I believe hard work and poverty never go together. It is a correct, fit point that hard work and poverty never go together, and always save your character. You see, health gone, nothing gone. I think so. Health gone, wealth gone, nothing gone. Money gone, nothing gone. But if character gone means everything gone. So save your character, improve your character. We have rich history in this point, and work hard with unity and integrity. Thank you very much. Please accompany me on the slogan Bharat Mata Ki. Loud to speak. Please. I am a Supreme Court practitioner, but don't have to speak so lightly. If I speak there for a few 15 minutes, then 2 minutes. But now I think so. Your sounds should not be cover only the boundaries of this hall. Your sound should go outside in the environment, and environment is very correct. You see, Corona pandemic start by environment. Everywhere Corona, but nobody can see. It means Almighty power has His spiritual power and can control and have your slogans. That's by Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Bharat Mata Ki. Raja Manvendra Singh Zindabad. Raja Manvendra Singh Zindabad. Raja Manvendra Singh. Now I will not say Zindabad. I will say only Raja Manvendra Singh. Raja Manvendra Singh. Mahendra Singh Tawar. Mahendra Singh Tawar. Rajput Ekta. Zindabad. Krishnamurti. Zindabad. Thank you very much.
ऐसी ही तमाम देश दुनिया से संबंधित खबरों को पाने के लिए हमारे चैनल प्रकाश न्यूज़ को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब तथा शेयर करना ना भूलें। धन्यवाद।